Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about a maintenance view. In the previous lecture, we have seen about a help view. Let us see the definition first. Maintenance view are created on two or more than two tables using an inner join concept. So, in the maintenance view, data can be read and maintained. And the most important thing in the maintenance view is that maintenance view can only be created on a custom tables, and all the other three views, that is help view, projection view and database view, can uses a standard tables, because as we can read and maintain the data in the maintenance view, so it cannot be edit or create a data into a standard tables, because it will increase the reusability and duplication of a record will be happen. So maintenance views are only created on a custom tables. So let us see the steps to create a maintenance view. Very first, go to SE11, select the view button and give the view name, and click on create button. We will get a screen to choose a view type. Choose a maintenance view, click on a maintenance view and then click on copy button. Thereafter, provide a short description and then give the table name as Mara and press the enter, and then click on a relationship button and click on the copy button. Thereafter, the system will automatically propose the join condition, and then go to the view tab. View field tab provides the fields, all the fields we required from a Mara tables, and similarly follow the steps for the other table, that is MAKT table. Go to the selection condition and then provide the conditions, and go to maintenance status tab and select the maintenance status tab. Then simply save, check and activate the table. After all those settings, go to the utilities tab. Click on utilities and click on table maintenance generator, that is TMG. Provide all the details for our table maintenance generator. What is table maintenance generator? We have already seen in one video. We have learned in one video what is table maintenance generator. So if you don't know about table maintenance generator, go and watch that video. And after providing all the details for table maintenance generator, click on the save button, and after saving all the data, go to SM30 to execute the program and click on the maintenance button. Thereafter, our maintenance view will get created. If you have not got all these steps by seeing for the first time or learning it for the first time, try to watch this video again. And if you have a logon, then do the hands-on practice. It looks like difficult, but whenever you will see this video twice and you will do an hands-on practice, it is very easy steps to create a maintenance view. So in the next lecture, we are going to see the foreign key relationship and primary key. What is foreign key and what is primary key we are going to see.